Different types of thermodynamic properties. Very important for Neet and J point of view. Extensive property and intensive property. Extensive property. Property or thermodynamic property or thermodynamic function of a system which depend on the mass or amount or number or size of the system are extensive property. Means property which change on partition of the system. When the system is divided into a number of parts, the property changes. Extensive properties are additive in nature, so their value changes. Extensive property are additive nature. Addition of the volume of two parts equal to volume of whole of the room. Volume, mass, heat capacity, total internal energy, enthalpy, gives free energy, entropy. These are extensive properties. These are extensive property. Intensive property. Thermodynamic property or thermodynamic function which whose value does not change on changing the amount of the system or changing the mass of the system or the size of the system, or when system is divided into parts. For example, molarity, that is concentration term. Temperature, if we have the water in a glass and when we divide, suppose we have 50 ml, we divide this volume in two parts, 25 and 25, but temperature remain the same. Pressure, molar heat capacity, and specific heat capacity. Molar heat capacity, specific heat capacity, but heat capacity is a extensive property, but molar and specific heat capacity is a intensive property. Concentration, all concentration like molarity, normality, molality, mole fraction, parts per million, ppm, solubility, strength, pH, all are intensive properties. Thanks. Vapor pressure is also intensive property.